So this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can download ads, video ads and static ads like this one and this one from the ads library without having any third parties extensions again. So yeah, let's go and do that. It's really easy and you don't need anything. Just go right click, inspect. Okay, right click, inspect, and select this button right here and go on, hover over the ad that you want to download. Okay, not this thing, no, not this thing, not this thing, but this one. Okay, copy and then scroll up a little bit until you see this blue text right here. Yeah, that is underlined, and you see CRC, so you know HTML. It stands for source of the in this case a video or an image. So you're gonna click double left click, not that one. You see place in line, be careful with that, not that one. That would be the thumbnail. So this one. Okay, just right click again, go to, and you will go here and download. Same with an image. You see here, you see source. I'm going to double click and go to, okay, and right click again and save image. Okay, be careful with the video because the videos can be a little tricky. Okay, just scroll up a little bit and you will have to double click. You see, you will see again the thumbnail. So make sure you're not clicking the thumbnail but this one. Okay, and wait, go here and, okay, and download. Be careful to not select the whole text here, yeah, because sometimes you can also select the CRC equals to, and if you go here it won't it won't work. You have to delete the CRC and sorry, not that one, yes, the strings. You have to delete the strings. You see that it works. Hope you liked it and hope it was easy for you. So now instead of watching the ads library like this, you will watch it every single time, inspecting it and saving new ads. Okay, just inspect it and it will be easy. You can actually zoom in and zoom out this thing. Okay, maybe you want it as minimum as possible. Okay, but yeah, this will be the new way to that you will see the the ads. Hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.